Savannah's finally brave enough to walk in the snow by herself.
Oh.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
Good. Can you walk in the snow? You're doing good. Whoa! We better help you up, huh? Back up again. It's bright, isn't it? I'm gonna put a shadow on you. What are you doing? Are you gonna run some more? Did we see a squirrel earlier? Can you say squirrel?
Hi.
Oh, do you see him? I don't see him. I don't see him now either. That's okay. He'll be back. We put corn out for him, didn't we? Uh-oh. Can you walk? You don't want to? There you go. There you go. Okay, can you let go and walk by yourself? Okay, here you go. You can do it yourself. Go, go, go. Whoa, you're going too fast. You're doing so good. Oh no!